As we transition to New Year and in order for you to give our better experience, we are going to a better ABN. Starting tomorrow, all channels of ABN Broadcasting Corporation that is in 4:3 format will be in new widescreen 16:9 format. Please give us time to adjust our equipments. Maraming salamat po.
This is ABN Network Incorporated, DWAM DTV Channel 22, a commercial television station transmitting on 112.1 kilowatt effective radiated power with permit number BSC-431-2022 MOT, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission and valid until December 31, 2024. ABN is owned and operated by ABN Network Incorporated and ABN Branding Corporation. ABN Studios and Transmitter are located on ABN Broadcasting Center, Sergeant Esquerra Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The operations of ABN DTV Channel 22 is headed by Engineer Bernardo M. Acosta, PEC number 864. ABN Transmission Engineering personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio and telephone operators, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission and Professional Regulations Commission. Engineer Jose Rizalde M. Obibic, Professional Electronics Engineer number 749. Engineer Melvin C. Acosta, Professional Electronics Engineer number 407. Michael D. De La Cruz, 98-1 PNCR-21108. Orlando M. Lagarta, 93-1 PNCR-6016. Mark Jason S. Malikdem, Electronics Technician number 15218. Harry D. Ortiz, Electronics Technician number 88541. Engineer Ronnie B. Sagan, Electronics Engineer number 46855. Engineer Jason T. Palma, Electronics Engineer number 46346. Rene Agravante, 93-1 PB-5715. All programs telecast in this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. This is ABN Network Incorporated, DWAN, DTV Channel 22. Color your life, the network of your choice.
Now, signing off.